2011 Acura TL D6. What we got done on it, still got factory converter manifolds up there somewhere. Then it's got a secondary converter there. Then it's got two miniature resonators, one there and one there. And then we did a muffler delete there and there. And put some 4-inch blue flame tips right there and right there. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Acura TL. Want it louder? Like it? That's perfect. Sound decibels. Go ahead. About 92. Not too bad. You can make it louder. We can take the two resonators off next, or one each time, you know? But drive it for a week, see how you like it. Then holler back at us. 'Cause you're on the inside. '11 Acura TL.